Insulux is a natural supplement that protects the organism from high blood sugar levels. The biocapsules also stabilize glucose levels and recover the pancreas and liver by normalizing carbohydrate metabolism. Insulux capsules for diabetes is a solution that preserves beneficial substances in the body while eliminating harmful impurities at the same time. Its bio-based composition makes it an efficient supplement that achieves better results than other hypoglycemic agents. Many people have already tried the capsules for stable blood sugar in 2021. Some of them explain that, unlike medicines, Insulux for diabetes is absolutely safe to use regularly as its composition does not trigger side effects of any type. The biocapsules successfully recover the health of the body by lowering high blood sugar levels. They also control blood pressure, thus preventing hypertension. The supplement is suitable not only for clients who suffer from diabetes but for everyone. Blood sugar is a popular term used by people. It refers to the concentration of glucose in the blood. When blood sugar levels are too high, then we are talking about diabetes, but it is not necessary for a person to suffer from diabetes in order to have high blood sugar. Specialists in the field explain that continuously elevated serum glucose levels can cause some serious health conditions. This is why people with insulin resistance have to adhere to an adequate set of measures. These include regular exercising, a healthy diet, and reduced stress. It is also recommendatory to take natural supplements that have the ability to control blood sugar levels. There are some basic symptoms that are usually associated with increased sugar levels in the blood. They are numbness of the limbs, dry mouth and constant thirst, drastically increased appetite, frequent urination, constant fatigue, impaired vision. Insulux is a bio-based food supplement in the form of capsules that maintains normal levels of blood sugar. The product has been developed by specialists who have included various extracts from herbs and plants in its composition. The natural origin of the ingredients means that Insulux is not dangerous to use regularly as it does not cause side effects. The natural medicine Insulux serves to restore the body its control over blood sugar levels. The formula was designed and tested over a period of 6 years. The clinical trials show that Insulux works without any negative side effects. It is vegan-friendly and the results are long-lasting. According to the available feedback from clients in India reviews, Insulux is a reliable solution for the establishment of control over blood sugar levels. It can also successfully maintain normal levels of blood pressure. We checked various health forums in countries such as India, Peru, and Malaysia to measure the approval given by people. We found many positive Insulux reviews, opinions, and testimonials of customers who have already used it and are satisfied with its efficiency. Some clients even say that the capsules can provide prevention against serious problems with the liver and pancreas. This is why most of the available comments and testimonials about Insulux are positive. Follow the information that is available in the Insulux instructions leaflet to learn how to take the supplement properly. Julian Cobo is a doctor in endocrinology who explains that the available diabetes medicines only relieve the symptoms. Unlike them, Insulux provides prevention against further health problems by effectively stabilizing blood sugar in the body. You just need to take dosage of 2 capsules Insulux per day and soon you will start feeling much better. This is possible thanks to the numerous benefits of the biosupplement. The main advantages and functions of the product are: stabilize blood sugar, lowers high blood pressure, removes toxins and bacteria from the body, increases cells' sensitivity to insulin, lowers liver enzymes, reduces inflammation, strengthens blood vessel walls, balances hormones levels, boosts the immune system. Don't buy Insulux in pharmacies no matter the price. If you wonder where to buy the original biocapsules, just visit their official website. This is the sole secure way to purchase the authentic supplement for blood sugar. You will also get an affordable Insulux price offer as well as a delivery service. Beware of scams with Insulux on Shopee and Lazada. Some clients have purchased the supplement for diabetes there but have found out it was a scam. The product looked like the original but was of low quality and had absolutely no effect. Unfortunately, Insulux's price in India via Lazada was low and many people fell into the scam. Clients can take advantage of an attractive Insulux price in India and Malaysia thanks to the numerous discounts and promotions that are available on its webpage. The distributor of the supplement wants to maintain an equivalent price for the solution in all regions of shipment. If you notice a similar product to Insulux in a pharmacy, you should know that this is a scam and fake imitation. The authentic capsules for normal blood sugar can be only bought through their website.